Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can remove highlights from your PDF, and it will be a quick tutorial for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, here you can see we are already in ilovepdf.com. So you just need to be visit here. Once you come over that place, you just need to be go over here PDF to Word. So you just need to be click over here and then just select your PDF which you have. So I'll click this one. This will have the PDFs, and here you can see that we add the highlighted. So I'll click to the convert to the Word. Once I click over here, then it will take a couple of minutes, and then they will eventually give us the options where we can download the Word file. So I will just click over here, and it already been downloaded. Just open this one. Once it opens, then here you can see Microsoft Word 2020 is able to open it. So now if you want to remove this highlight option, you just need to be enable the editing. Once you click over here, now actually you are allowed to remove these highlight options. How you can do it? You just need to be select this one, and from that place you just need to be remove the thing. So let's make it white, and here you can change the text color. Also you can change all things, like you can change it here from this place. Let's change the place also. So here you have the eventual option. Let's delete it, this one, and here actually you can see it. Let's reduce the size. Let's decrease this one, and here you can see that. Let's place this one again. So in this way you can easily remove the highlight options from that place. So you have these options to do it. So you can edit this one, you can remove anything from that place. I hope you loved this video. If you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.